Hello.
Hi, we're
Hello.
back. We're back. Another part, like part 4 or something. I don't know. Playing Animal Hospital. Getting, oh shoot, as far as we can.
Not sure what you're talking about, mate. I've never seen that man in my life.
Never seen what, man? Like,
Bonnie.
oh, the cop. Headache.
Ain't never
Are
seen
you
that man in my life,
serious?
mate.
Let's go deal with that. I'm busy. And
Beg your pardon.
thermal. I hear breathing. There's a hider. Yo, hider,
Where to,
where you at?
where to go,
You in
Barnes?
here?
Yes.
No. Where is the hider?
You're safe and sound, Bonnie.
I heard it. Whatever.
Oh.
What? Oh, look, it's the two favorite people. Well, my two favorites. Coffee maker! Come on. Oh, come on.
I'll save you.
Do it. I'm busy. Right. Wonderful.
Uh, uh,
What about the first?
uh,
You seem fine too, but I'm gonna do.
uh.
You weren't waiting that long, bro. What? Hurry up!
That takes care of that. Hi, Matthew.
Yeah, all yours. I've already had my fun.
There's a fire on room 5. Go deal with that.
Oh my! I forgot about that. Wait, what camera's down? Oh my god! Why is there so much? Why is there so much going on? I hope you die in a fire.
I might leave. It's starting to get pretty boring.
No, please, please, content.
The content.
Ugh. How about the first person? You seem fine. Lovely. Alright, Ricky, you can go and wait. Did I even? I don't think I even look at whatever. I didn't even look at Ricky's photo. So.
Yeah.
Oh, one of them
Uh,
said normally I'm gonna
uh,
be
don't,
looking at
don't be
photo.
hearing my voice. I'm just not in the game.
You're a anomaly. Jane, go, Jane. Roommate, cool. Jane. I haven't needed to use my guns that many times. What camera's down? Yeah, okay, those are the fun. Good, not good. You can keep the best there. Normal. What's your name? Cinnamon. Go on, Cinnamon. Oh my god. Alright, now we just gotta treat the patient. Oh. Well, it looks like I'm treating the patient. Alright, guys. Fluid dehydration. Blue. Let's see what we need again. But oh. Dehydration. Alright. Oh, come on, guys. What do you mean? Yeah. I just. Okay. Recovering. No one. Oh, Raptor. Bleeding. Oh, hell no! Ghost, didn't I just get... Yeah, I can't get rid of the ghost. Oh, well. What? Okay. My eyes! Let me get it! Finally. Okay, I'm probably just gonna, like, I guess... finish treating these patients, and then, I'll end it. Oh, that's not that bad. So this is one of the shorter parts. 7 minutes. Oh, wow. No. There's a ghost somewhere. The ghost is in the room. Get away. Okay, I have to run through that. Patient 8. Can't look up. Oh. Again. Medicine. Chemical. Transplant. Oh, it's all red. Okay, hold up. Gonna check report. I can die in that fire because I'm not there. Huh? Oh, normally. It's gonna waste everything. I don't want to though. Oh, why? I don't want to do anything to him. Why do you have to come? I don't want to do anything to you. I'll treat you and that will be it. Oh, wait. Fine. Where's the favorite patient even? What do you mean oh, wait, a visitor. Oh, come on. The fire room. Are you serious? I might just make it, might not. You know what? Boom, don't have to worry. No one will know. The only person I'm treating is Raptor. And then I'll kill everyone else.
and then I'll kill everyone else.
I don't know if you're anomaly though. I think I only have like one person I can kill. Okay, you're anomaly. I can tase you. Tase already! Finally! I'm gonna keep shooting you repeatedly. Please shoot randomly. Anyways, let's just go deal with. I'm gonna go treat Raspberry real quick. Don't mind overshooting, Raspberry. It's nothing.
Hang on, right out there. There's a lot of pews.
Dehydration. Raptor, you gotta drink your water. Now you have to get IV. There. Anyways, you're not gonna be able to recover in time, so I'm just gonna fire. Time to run around in the fire. Takes a while. Oh well, let's just keep doing this. Holy, I hear a lot of rain outside. Okay, we're slowly but surely. I'm slowly but surely losing sanity. I wonder if Raffi's done yet. I can't tell. Well, I'm gonna die before he gets up. No, he's walking. He's fucked. 3, 2, 0. And now I'm just gonna do the outro. Okay, guys. Now that is the end of this, and I guess you guys can comment if you want like me to play any games. I guess, but yeah.
Love how you're saying this like people are actually watching these.
Oh come on, do. Anyways, yeah. Yeah. See you in the next one. Bye bye.